Hi there. Welcome to my channel. I'm Julie. I like to draw, doodle, and illustrate. I also really like to plan and organize. I've been putting the two together for many years in my own creative way. I use a mix of Ryder Carroll's Bujo method and kind of my own method. I'll tell you more about myself in future episodes. I've done some traveling this year, so I'm a little behind with my mini journal. Let's get caught up. Towards the end of last year, I was facing a bit of creative overload. And the first few months, I wanted to go with something easy, kind of whimsical. For March, I decided on puzzle pieces. I got this small Oasis notebook at my local art store. I love it because it's enough space to capture essentials, fits in my pocket, and has lines and a light grid. The paper's heavy enough for regular pens and water-based markers, but I don't recommend using alcohol markers. On my most recent trip, I penciled in my designs, but I didn't ink it because the plane was kind of turbulent. Even though this puts me a little bit behind, it's okay. Don't stress if you get behind. Don't get discouraged. Capture your ideas and go back later. Remember, your journal is for you, so it doesn't matter what order you ink it or color it or fill it in. I'm liking this puzzle theme. I've got my habits that I'm tracking as larger puzzle pieces with circles inside, so I can mark them off as I do them. I've got a small space for a weekly recap. I'm not sure why I penciled in what was going on for this week. I didn't need to do that. I don't usually do that. But I did it. I'll link over that. March is that time of year where winter's fading into spring. There could be some super cold days and super warm, almost summer days. Overall, I find the quality of the light is still coolish, even on the warmer days. I chose a cool color palette. Reminds me of warm sun trying to peek through gray clouds, melting snow trickling into little mountain streams, and the pale colors of early spring flowers. I'm using Primrosia markers. They're double-sided. One end is a brush and one is a fine tip. This video is not sponsored, but I want to show you what I'm using in case you want to pick up any of these items yourself. I'll make sure to list them below, too. Use a .03 micron pen to add a few little embellishments, break it up visually a little bit more. I want to keep it simple and not draw images into the puzzle pieces, but they need a little more zip. Remember, with just a few supplies, you can make something really fun. Use this idea as a basis to start and add your own personality to it. A recap of the supplies I used: my small Oasis notebook, some clips, a mechanical pencil, a Tombow Fudenosuke pen, I don't know if I said that right, Primrosia markers, and a Faber-Castell marker also. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and check out the next video for a variation on this puzzle theme.